Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. As you all can see, I'm finally back in my usual background. I'm back in my house, in my own home, and I'm back in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm very excited to be back because I miss stability, I miss routine, I miss my juicer, I miss my nut milk maker, and I just miss going to the gym. I just miss routine, you know? I value honesty, and I have to say that honestly, towards the last 2 weeks of my trip, I did not eat too proper. I was eating like ramen. The ramen was veggie, of course, and I was eating a lot of sugar and stuff, and my stomach mash up right now. Like, my stomach is not feeling the best, especially after getting food poisoning. Oh, let me tell you, I got food poisoning in the last 2 weeks of my trip, and then my laptop broke in the same week, so I was really going through it. Overall, the Jamaica, Peru, and Brazil trip was absolutely incredible, but my body really went through it the last 2 weeks, and I was just kind of feeding myself a lot of junk food. But now I'm just so happy to be able to get my Jamaican seasonings again and just make these foods that my tummy knows and finally feed myself ingredients that I know. I'm so excited. So today is gonna be like a raw reset day. I plan on making a delicious, refreshing tomato salad and a spicy kale salad, a berry delight smoothie with some healthy probiotics from some vegan yogurts, and I'm so excited to finally just be pumping my body with nutrients. Once again, I woke up, I had some tea today. I feel really good. All of the recipes that you see today will be in my raw Vitality ebook, and also, you guys, I'm also working on getting this ebook as a physical copy. So if you're interested in the physical copy, please let me know in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go get some fruits, some veggies, and some stuff to just give life to my stomach. So I really wanted to make this smoothie because I was craving something sweet but without the introduction of refined sugar like white sugar and the whole heap of something. So this is only going to be sweetened with the natural sugar that's found naturally in fruit, as well as medjool dates. Medjool dates have fiber, they help you go to the bathroom, they are so good for you, and they're sweet and they're delicious. I also put some cashew yogurt, dairy free of course, which was full of probiotics that really helped my stomach during this period of like turmoil. So this really helped me with my resets. So I could have easily only made the kale salad, like the spicy kale salad. I'm greedy, so I needed more, okay? And I wanted to show you all more recipes. This refreshing tomato salad is so delicious and extremely easy to make as well. If you're good with knife chopping skills, it can get done in like maybe 5 minutes. The only thing you really have to do is chop up the tomato and slice them in half. Chop up the onion really fine and the basil fine, but if you're not that great with your knife skills, you can always purchase minced basil and minced onion somewhere in a grocery store. I am so grateful that I created this book full of delicious raw recipes that are easy and inspirational, unique and delicious, because it really helps me when I do my raw resets and I can introduce more vitamins and nutrients into my stomach, but they're full of flavor as well.
And the feelings through the shock, baby. I didn't to slide. Oh yeah, all out for your love. You need me to ride for you. All out for your touch. I want you. Oh yeah, same way.
So So I think we all know how beneficial a good green juice is to your system and to your body. It's flushing your body with a whole heap of nutrients and vitamins. It's so delicious. I love cucumber because it's packed with hydration. It really helps to hydrate the body. It's over 90% water, replenishing electrolytes. Just like Maccabi said, vitamins, mineral, water, make your bone them stronger. Cucumber. I love kale because it's packed with iron, and of course the ginger is anti-inflammatory. This entire juice is so great. As always, I am using the amazing Kuvings Auto 10 Plus juicer, which are the sponsors of today's video. I have been using Kuvings juicers for the past 2 years. I have so many of their juicers, and they're such an amazing company, and they make such high quality items. I have been using this since November. It's so amazing. As you all can see, it comes with an extra additional basket to the hopper, so you can add even more produce in. I don't know if Una noticed. I don't know if you all noticed, but I didn't even have to chop up my cucumber. I just put it in there, and I also put my apples in there. A lot of people are always like, Tiffany, don't put your apples in whole because there's cyanide and apple seed. This juicer is like a smart juicer, and so you actually don't have to worry about the apple seeds being crushed. The seeds are actually filtered out into the pulp. On top of that, the juicer has a 15-year warranty, and the blade that chops up the fruit and the veggies is stainless steel. It's such an amazing product. Back in the day when I used to not have a juicer, I used to try to go out to the store to get juices, but a juice is like $10. If you get one $10 juice a week, 10 times 52, which is about $520, which to me, it is so much more cost efficient to get a good high quality juicer in your house. And the reason why I really recommend this compared to other cheaper high-speed juicers is because this is a cold press juicer, so it allows the nutrients of your juices to be present for much longer than high-speed juicers, and not to mention the warranty is also 15 years. If you're interested in this product, you can go ahead and check out my link in the description box that will give you 10% off.
I don't hang around long. I've been about my business, I've been working to the moon. As in my religion, was you getting to the dough? On a mission, I've been 10 toes, I don't ever fold. Ain't no competition.
You guys, I ate this spicy kale salad up. It was so delicious and quite simple to make. It's so packed with flavor, so tasty, and it's so flavorful, and it has that little Caribbean kick from the Scotch bonnet as well. I went ahead and chopped up some fresh veggie, of course, and I made some of my favorite walnut taco meat. Oh my gosh. And it also has a good amount of protein from the entire salad, because I did eat the entire salad. There's about like 12 grams of protein in a cup of walnuts, and there's about like 7 or so grams of protein in that tahini that I use. Already that's like 19 grams of protein, and maybe around like 5 grams of protein or so from the kale that I did. I think it's probably more, but overall this is over 20 grams of protein for this meal. So yes, you can get a good amount of protein in on a vegan diet, but of course also on a raw vegan diet. And this salad, oh, it was so delicious, filling because of the walnuts and because of the creamy and the fatty tahini dressing. This was so delicious. again, if you're interested in checking out these recipes for your own raw vegan cleanse, or if you just want to incorporate more raw foods into your diet, my new cookbook is here and it's linked in the description box down below for you to get your own copy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.